Hi, this is Juliana with Frisella Nursery. I'm here today to talk to you about all the products that we carry to help with your blooms on your plants and all of your root system and any issues that you might be having with your plants now that we're in midsummer. So we carry our Dr. Earth line of products. My favorite products, these are great products, but I really like our Espoma products over here. They seem to work well. They're a slow release product. They're great for every kind of issue that you would have with your plants. We have our general plant tone that's good for annuals or perennials. Rose tone, perfect food for all your roses. We have berry tone. We have iron tone to help with some of those things that you might be lacking. We carry garden lime to help with your hydrangeas. We carry bone meal, blood meal. We also carry osmocote for fruits and vegetables and flowers. And then our favorite, which is holly tone, that takes care of a lot of our plants. Your boxwoods, your hydrangeas, your azaleas, rhododendrons, anything like that that's a big acid-loving plant. So we carry all of these products, super easy to use, just need to sprinkle them down and water them in. Now the next things I want to talk to you about are some of our preventive issues, which are bugs that we have this time of year, any kind of issues with your root system. And we're going to go to this wall, and this is the wall of magic here because it contains just about every product that you're going to want to help with your issues that you're having with your trees, shrubs, or flowers. We carry so many different products that'll help you. One of my favorites, especially for houseplants, is our houseplant insect control, and that's great for those pesky white flies that seem to come around inside your house. The other thing that we carry is a deer repellent. That's good for this time of year when the deers are feeding heavy right now before they're getting ready to go into their cycle of mating. So lots of different products that we can help you with. Just talk to one of us here in the garden center. We all can help you with anything that you need to make you have a beautiful garden.